Thinking about launching a home healthcare business in Louisiana? Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Understand the demand. Louisiana's aging population means rising demand for at-home care services. Step 2. Research and planning. Identify your target audience. Seniors, people with chronic illnesses, or children with special needs. Analyze your competition and define your unique edge. Step 3. Build your business plan. Lay out your mission, marketing strategy, organizational structure, and financial projections. Step 4. Get licensed. Apply through the Louisiana Department of Health, submit the required documentation, undergo background checks, and prepare for your initial inspection. Step 5. Hire and train smart. Caregivers must meet certification standards. Strong training equals quality care, which leads to happy clients. Step 6. Focus on quality care. Personalized care builds reputation, improves outcomes, and reduces hospital readmissions. Step 7. Stay compliant. Regular audits, policy updates, and ongoing training help you stay in line with state law. Want help? Our services at www.carepolicy.us offer templates and consultations. Build it right, and you'll be helping people live better, at home where they belong.